Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have variety fun. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received Variety Fun. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing snack box to review. I'm not quite sure if this is October or if this is November. I received this today, which is the last day of October, so I'm not sure if there's a card in here that's going to tell me, because I don't even think I got last month's box, which is fine. But I don't know what box this is. So let's go ahead and dive in and see. Now, they did email me the beginning of last month and they said that they changed my code. They upped it. Before, my new code was 30% off. Now they have a 50% off. That's right. You can now use SheCrafty 50 to get 50% off your first box. Now, the normal snack box like they send me, where there's 40 snacks, is normally $29.99. You can get it now for $14.99. And the fit box is 30 fit snacks for $39.99. And you can now get that for $19.99. So if you want to save 50% off, use SheCrafty 50 and you can get 50% off. So let's go ahead and see what snacks I'm going to be snacking on for November. There's that. And then the top part just says, tell us what you thought and then when. And then it looks like the new one they're going to feature is the Snapped by Cheez-It. And that is definitely what's right on top. I see 4 different ones and those are amazing. So I'm so glad to see those in here. So let's just call this the November box, because tomorrow's November. You're going to see this in November. So let's just call this the November box. Okay, so let's go with the Snapped. These are double cheese. There's 2 of those. Now we have 2 of the cheddar, sour cream, and onion. I can't wait because I've tried, I think, just the cheddar. So this one sounds like it's going to be amazing. So we have Lay's barbecue. We have 2 Famous Amos, my favorite cookies. We have Knott's raspberry. We have some cheddar fries from Andy Capes and some hot fries. So regular and hot. Here's Knott's now with strawberry. Here's my other favorite cookie, Nutter Butter, because I love my some peanut butter. Now we have some Chex Mix. I really like this one because it's the cheddar one. I like it a lot. So there's that. Here's 2 mini pretzels. Now we have is a Fiber One 70 calorie bar. We have 2 of those actually. And these are brownie chocolate fudge. So I love that. Oh, something that I don't think we've had before is popcorn. So you can pop some popcorn if you're having like a movie night or something. That is awesome. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have a movie night and I'm gonna pop some popcorn. I haven't had popcorn in so long. I can't wait. So now we have this Nature Valley Crunch Oats and Honey. I love these for like breakfast or snacks. So I always have these around. We have Welch's Fruit Snacks, 1 and 2. Then we also have the Black Forest Organic Gummy Bears. So we have Ritz Cheddar, 2 of those. We have a fruit roll up, and we have an Airhead grape. We have 3 of the Quaker Chewy chocolate chip. All 3 of these are chocolate chip. So there's 3 of those. We have some peanut butter crackers and some cream and chive. And then we have some peanut butter. So 3 different types of crackers. Okay, so now we have the sweet and salty nut Nature Valley peanut. Oh, sorry, we have 1 more Airhead up in here, cherry. Glue? I don't know. We have some Oreos and a Rice Krispie treat. So that is all of the snacks that we have for this box. You guys, comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the variety? We have a good combination of, there's not too much chips this time, which is kind of good because sometimes we have like a lot of chips. Now we have like a good variation of like crackers, regular like chips, cookies. I think we had a really good variation because the only chips I see is this. Really? Yeah. So there's like no chips this time. And I think that's really neat that we get a thing of popcorn. Okay, guys, so that is my complete full box. And if you want to know a little bit more about Variety Fun, I know I kind of just gave you the pricing in the beginning because of the new code. So my new code again is SheCrafty50, which gets you 50% off. So the fun box again has 40 classic snacks, and that's $29.99 a box, but my 50% off code will get that down to $14.99. Now that makes it about 62 cents per snack off of the regular price, not off of the code price. And then the fit box is $39.99, which is 30 snacks, which brings it to about $133 per snack. Now, Variety Fun is really, really good to have to get you a variety of snacks in the house for you, for your family, kids, husbands, wives, whichever. This is a good thing to either pack in their lunches, put in your gym bag, in your briefcase, take to work, or keep in your pantry, so whenever you want a snack, you have a variety of different snacks in there. It's good for game nights if you do that, or for sporting events and stuff like that once we can get back into the sports of things. But at least now they're keeping you safe at home and delivering you snacks to your door to enjoy. So I do appreciate that. They also donate thousands of snacks per month to families in need as well. So I love when companies do donate because then we're all helping each other. So that is everything that I have for this video, you guys. Comment down below. Again, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.